Alright guys, so as you guys know, this car is coming to a close. March 26th, mark the date. I'm posting the finished video of this car, all finished. All we gotta do is go to paint. And not only is the car gonna be finished, but I'm also dropping the merch. And we got a little giveaway going to you guys. So 3 people that buy the merch are either gonna get an Xbox, a pair of Yeezys, or a PS5. The PS5 isn't here because I'm sure you guys know how hard they are to get. I already ordered it and it's coming in. But there's gonna be 3 prizes to the people that buy the limited C8 merch that's for this car, and all the money is going towards a wide body kit because as you guys know, I want a wide body of this car. So mark the date, March 26th. I'll pop up a picture of the merch and let's get to the video.
Famous rapper RODWAVE was involved in a near-fatal car
Florida Tampa Bay rapper RODWAVE in near-fatal car accident totaling his brand new 2020 C8 Corvette.
I wonder if I could buy this thing. That'd be sick. You ready for this, bro?
Yeah. No more TikTok.
You look so excited right now.
Yeah, I can't wait to watch you just put this thing together, dude.
Literally, how long do you think this is gonna take? We're about to put this rocker on. Yesterday we pulled it off. I got it prepped, sanded, clean, and ready to put on. What are you thinking?
25 minutes, done.
25 minutes?
That'd be perfect. That'd be ideal.
Just put it on, but I think we should put the quarter panel and everything on right after too.
All
so let's say all said and done.
An hour.
An hour?
If this would be like an hour crank sesh, that'd be lit.
So I guess I'm gonna jack it up and get to work.
Start cranking. Switch rolls.
Crank. This panel has no bolts. It's literally 100% glued, so it's like really sketchy because like when there's bolts, you know where it lines up. When there's no bolts, you're just kind of like winging it. But I left the old glue on there, so I'm gonna put like a new layer on top of that so it goes into the same spot and you can center it on this hole. Like you can see this hole goes over that bolt, and then this mounts over this. So there's not like a whole lot of room for air, but there's always room for air when it's 2 kids in their garage. Alright, it's almost the final piece of the puzzle. We gotta put this on, then we're gonna mount the door up real quick and check the fitment. But this is like a little satisfying, don't you think? This is like the nice little final piece of the puzzle.
Ooh, that sounded good.
That sounded good.
How long has it been? We didn't even time it.
Damn. Damn, I'm good. You ever say, damn, I'm good? Damn, son. Look, we got the new rocker on, new door on. Jeez. Matthews, what do you think? What do you got to say for all the supporters out there?
We're fucking working.
They might have not believed in us, but at this point, y'all better start believing because it's about to be finished.
So what's the next?
I don't know. Next is I got to wait for these brackets to come in. These brackets are bent, and then put those on, then put the fender on, and then get this thing painted. That's pretty much it. Boom. Yeah, and we're waiting on the new hood to come in. I got a little something special for the hood. Y'all are gonna love it. It's gonna be, I'm gonna love it more than you guys, but you guys are gonna love it too. All right, guys, so you guys haven't seen this yet, but I've been trying to get this cooling system bled. So I bought this at Harbor Freight, this little reader right here, and this pretty much vacuums out all the air because there's a lot of hoses and lines because the radiators are here, they're here, and that's where the fill tank's at. So check this out. I finally got this thing to work. Look at this hose right here. It's totally pinched because there's no air in the system. So I just put these new lines in. That's why I've been waiting to do this, because I just installed those because the old ones are right there. I just got this installed. I'm going to keep vacuuming this. And then I'm going to put this into my bucket of coolant, and then it's going to suck all the coolant into the system, and then there'll be no air in the system. So it's kind of exciting. I've been trying to get all the air out of the system for like 3 or 4 times I've been trying this, but the problem was I left coolant in the system, and you have to do this with no coolant in the system. So, you know, we're learning out here. And now I know that you got to do it without coolant. So I'm about to crack this valve and suck the coolant up in the system once and for all. And apparently you just crack this open. And it's gonna suck it up. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Hasn't blown up yet. The main thing is these hoses feel really good. They're filled. They're all the way full. So I'm gonna let this thing heat up and just let it idle for a while. Might pass out from carbon monoxide poisoning. I'm trying to get the thermostat to kick on, the fans to kick on, because if you guys remember, these are new fans, and I would just want to hear them kick on so I know everything's working good. So I guess we're just gonna keep messing around with stuff and wait for these fans to kick on and let this thing warm up. So that's what we got going on right this second. You see this trunk, Matthews? We got some carpet in there. Look, I got the button right here. Everything on the front end is together except the fenders, the hood, and the bumper, which are easy. We gotta get those painted next video.
You just gotta throw that on there, put the paint.
Would you just panel paint it, or would you?
Yeah.
I think Matthews can paint it himself.
Should we have you paint it?
Rust-Oleum?
Yeah, I guess. Let's throw this door on. This is gonna be like a 3-man job, putting this door back on.
There's only 2.
I know. A boy and a man.
It's tight fitting right here.
Yeah, you don't know about that. Alright, we probably should, alright, you hold it there, put it on very carefully. I'm gonna lock it in.
Bruh,
It's kind of not really lining up.
you're trying to like...
I think you have to have it like halfway open.
Alright, pull it out, pull it out. You need to bring it close as you can, compadre.
What? Dude. You're taking up so much. Bro, let me line this up.
Slow and steady.
You close that and let's get this shit.
Slow and steady.
Easy, son.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna put this on perfectly where it should be, and you should be able to close it. Like right
Almost
here.
perfect, yeah.
Right here should be where it should be.
How do you get this open, bro?
I think is it electronic? Does it like retract and?
How do you get it out? God, this is the thing that keeps your door from swinging open when you open it. I need like a microfiber and then I can pry it.
Looks pretty clean.
Oh, there it goes. Matthews, what would we do without you, bro? Look at that guy.
He did all of it, dude.
He don't look like much,
I'll just
but
tell you what to do, bitch.
he's full of bright ideas. The brains of the operation are Matthews, though. Look at that kid. Alright, as you guys know, my mom's car got stolen and there's some hood rat kids around the corner and we're about to go check them out. They look really suspicious. We're about to ask them some questions.
About to pull up on him.
Yeah, we got Matthews here. Like, we might have to, I don't know. Like, we don't
brawl this out.
Yeah, might have to brawl it out. We don't really know. These kids are really sketchy. What's up? What you guys doing?
Chilling.
What'd you do to your leg?
He bruised his ankle. He bruised his ankle.
You guys trying to get some ice cream? Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay.
How you kidnap kids? Come on, hop in. We'll get ice cream.
Okay, sure.
So you heard my mom's car got stolen?
Yeah. Wait, what? Yeah.
Yeah? Nothing about that, do you?
No. Yeah, we didn't see anything, but I did hear like a weird boom outside in our shed. Nobody
Really?
was there. Didn't see the blue car at all.
You know what? They said that we saw on the cameras there's two kids and they're about, how tall are you?
I'm 3'11".
Yeah, they were 3'11".
Wow.
Yeah.
What?
There's 2 kids, and
They were 3'11". They stole a car.
Yeah.
one had a cast. I'm pretty.
Yeah, one had a cast on his leg too. What do you guys think about that?
Oh my goodness. What?
Yeah, we know you guys did it.
We did it.
What were
I
you
even not-
doing?
I
Yo,
didn't
what?
even know how to hijack a car.
What were you doing at 3:30 in the morning?
On
What?
the night of March 4th.
I was sleeping.
March
and I
4th.
just checked the window. I didn't even remember when that was.
What if you guys really did do it? That'd be crazy. Have you been in any faster cars since last time?
I don't think so.
No?
Goodness.
What do you guys think? You approve?
Good. Yes, I approve. Just don't do it when there's cars in front of you.
It's faster now.
Can I get 3 ice cream cones?
Not your wallet.
I forgot my wallet. You guys got me?
I had. Even if I bought my wallet, I won't have enough money to cover you.
First one to eat their ice cream cone gets $5.
Oh,
Oh, that's gonna be easy for
You
you.
guys gonna do it?
Oh, maybe.
First one to finish it gets $5.
Does that mean the cone too?
Cold hard cash.
I'll eat the cone.
All right, you guys gonna take that bet?
No, I'll do it. Sure.
All right, Matthews, you in on this too?
What?
That's a bag, bro. You're not gonna secure the bag? $5?
All right, I guess I'll probably be down.
Did you rev it? Yeah, I got you. It's Judah's Garage, right there. What are you guys doing, bro? The timer's ticking. $5 is on the line. You can buy 3 ice cream cones of that.
Go, go, go.
Stop it.
I don't see much competition going on right now. You guys, you're supposed to be a race. I'm not gonna lie, I don't even have $5 cash on me.
Gotta get ready to pay up.
I know. You guys got Bitcoin? You guys take Bitcoin?
What?
Oh my gosh, my man is going in right now. There's no competition. You're just gonna let him leave you behind like that, Matthews?
It actually be embarrassing being beaten by a
I
kid.
thought you were an athlete. He's gonna win. He's gonna win.
Wait, you gotta swallow it. You gotta swallow it.
Matthews is getting there. Matthews, you had him on the line.
Hurry up. Matthew just ate it.
Done.
He wins.
Oh my God, Matthews, he beat you on the wire. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with all your money, with your earnings?
Invest.
You know they say like, it's like 90% of lottery winners spend all their money. So don't be one of those guys. You gotta invest that. All right, guys, so the merch drops March 26th, and not only does the merch drop, the car is gonna be done on March 26th. That's when the final video is gonna be posted at 8 o'clock Eastern time. So be ready. This thing's gonna be sick. I cannot wait for it to be finished. Every order, whether it's a sticker, shirt, hoodie, or the whole bundle, that's $110 value for only $69, all get you entered to win the PS5, the brand new Xbox, and the pair of Yeezys. And that's my way of helping to promote the merch, obviously, but also just giving back to you guys for supporting me. Most YouTubers just sell merch and you don't get anything. So you get a chance to win that stuff, and the chances are pretty good because this is limited stuff. There's not that much of it. There's like 200 of each item, so it's gonna sell out. And if it does, like I've said, all the proceeds for this, if we sell out, I'm wide bodying the car. But I cannot wide body the C8 unless we sell out because I just can't afford it. This kit's like $7,000 to $10,000 and I just can't do it on my own. YouTube ad revenue, it's not there. Everyone thinks you're getting rich on here, but honestly, this car build has been the most money I've spent in my life. And even though YouTube helps a little bit, I had to spend a lot of my savings on this and a lot of the money I had saved to do a build like this because I'm trying to make the best content possible. And I know you guys love the build. And like I said, my YouTube channel, my life is like this. I'm gonna keep going up, but with your guys' help, we can freaking skyrocket because every dollar I make is just gonna go right back into builds and just go right back into doing sick stuff so we can take over YouTube because that's my goal here. I'm trying to be the best YouTuber I can possibly be. And I don't know if you guys realize that, but that's my goal here. I love doing this, but I can only do so much. So first things first, I want to wide body this car and who knows what the future holds. I need your guys' help though. So buy the merch if you believe in me and you believe in my vision and you believe in everything I'm doing because my goal out of this YouTube channel, a lot of YouTubers, they're just flexing and it's just whack what they're putting out. My goal is to show you guys me accomplish my dreams and my aspirations because there's so many things I've said I wanted to do and I've done them. The C8 I said I wanted to do and I did it. That's my goal of this channel, just show you guys that you can really put your mind to things and you really can accomplish your goals and accomplish the things you want to do. Like always, thanks for watching. All you guys that watch the videos and like and comment and follow me on everything, I love you guys. Thank you so much. But yeah, March 26th, be on the lookout. And like I said, we're only going up. We're not stopping.